boys and girls. It's Mrs. Smiley. Hey, I just want to take a few minutes to look at our vocabulary for this week. And I want to go through the different words. And I want you to think about, you're at the end of kindergarten. You've learned so many things. And part of what you've learned to be a good student on Zoom is how to use your computer, how to have your marker board ready and your crayons and your paper ready if you need them. And when we have math class, if you know we're going to be counting coins, you have your coins ready. And all of that shows Mrs. Smiley that you're planning and you're getting ready and you know what you need to be a really good kindergarten student. And that's going to help you next year when you go to first grade. So I'm going to go over the vocabulary words that we have for this week. And the first word I want to show you is the word plan. Plan. A lot of you know the word "an" already, and we're just going to put that P-L. P goes P, L goes L. And remember, we put the sounds together. Pl, pl, plan. So a plan is when you know that you're going to do something and you make a plan. So think about going maybe to spend the night at Grandma's house. What are you going to need to take with you when you go to Grandma's house? Are you going to need your toothbrush? Are you going to need pajamas? Are you going to need to take a special stuffed animal that helps you sleep? Are you going to need to take your clothes to put on the next morning, your clean underwear and your new clothes for the next day? What are you going to need? What's your plan? What are you going to have ready? And it's the same thing for kindergarten. When you go to kindergarten next year, before you go to, or not kindergarten, I'm sorry, when you go to first grade next year, you're going to probably have a little bit of a plan. I need my book bag. I'm going to need my lunch. I'm going to need my water bottle. And maybe you're going to need new crayons and new pencils and things like that to take to school too. So we like to make a plan. All right, our second vocabulary word is practice. Practice. So if you really want to get good at something, you want to practice. So look at the little girl in the picture, and what does she want to get good at? Soccer. Very good. So think about something that you want to be really good at. And you had to practice and practice and practice to get good at it, or you're still trying to practice and practice to get good at it. Think about that. What could it be? Maybe it's reading. A lot of you have been reading lots and lots of books. I can go on Epic Books at school and turn on my computer and see that Teddy and Zara and Taylor are just reading so many books on Epic Books. They've been practicing, and that's why they're reading so well. Maybe you've been practicing your letters with Mommy every day, so you learned all your letters. Or maybe you're practicing your sight words so you can learn all your sight words so you're ready for first grade. But maybe it's something else. Maybe you're practicing drawing so you get to be a really great artist. So our word is practice. If you want to get good at something, you got to keep doing it over and over again. Getting good at it, right? Okay? Think. Here's our next word. Think. Look at the picture. What is this little boy thinking about? He must be hungry because he's thinking about watermelon, isn't he? He's thinking how good that would taste. So this is something you're going to do at school this year and next year. When we're in Zoom together, I always like to ask you guys, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think the answer is going to be? And you have to use that brain. You have to think about things because what you think and how you feel and your opinion, that really does matter. Okay, so you're going to be thinking a lot next year and learning a lot of new things. So the word think is in your brain. When you hear an idea, it's all the different ideas you have about it. So maybe when you think about first grade, maybe you think, I feel excited. Maybe you think, oh, maybe I feel a little bit scared. And all those things are important, but thinking is important. Okay, here's our last vocabulary word I want to look at with you, and it's success. Success. Say that word, success. And that means you did it. You did it. You reached your goal. You worked really hard. You had a plan. You practiced. You thought a lot about it. You did a lot of thinking, and you reached your goal. So you guys are this close to being first graders. You've almost reached your goal and have the success of finishing kindergarten. So I'm just so proud of you. So think of other things that you can do and other goals that you can reach and the success that you're going to have. Okay, success means you did it, you met that goal, and you feel really good about it. You have success. Okay? All right, and we'll talk more about these vocabulary words, but thank you for being such great listeners. Plan, practice, think, success. All right, I'll see you tomorrow, boys and girls. Have a good day.